Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're out here checking out this brand new 4-bedroom listing pool home. Hang out with us, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, right here at 3752 Kicking Horse Circle, just listed $950. Great location, little cul-de-sac location on Kicking Horse. Real popular little area. Looks like it might have a pretty nice lake view. So it does have a driveway up to the side we'll go check out. This does sit on a huge, almost 20,000 square foot lot. A lot of nice stonework in the front. Even have some side parking. Looks like they had maybe an awning there at one time, or a covered something. All right, let's go on in and check it out. All right guys, we're up at the top of the driveway. Killer panoramic lake views from up here. All right, the side parking goes all the way back, so there's plenty of room. RVs, boats, trailers. It's pretty wide. Got a cool little front courtyard. All right, guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2001, 2,384 square feet. Sits on a huge 19,297 square foot lot. Just listed today for $950. All plank tile floors. It's definitely a little bit unique, which is something I like. I see the same house over and over. So you have this little living area off the kitchen and entry. Has some pot shelves, vaulted ceilings, fireplace. Have an amazing lake shot out the window. So I take that back, there's no fireplace. Let's go see what we can find. So you have a granite top, eat-at kitchen counter. Stainless appliances. Kitchen kind of walks through. You have a little slider out to the view deck patio. Again, killer lake views off of this little dining area window. All right, so we're just gonna start wandering and see what we can find. So it looks like you have a couple bedrooms over here. Let's head this way, see what we can find. You have a little closet. First room you hit. Looks like a guest room. The back of the house. Looks like you have another guest room, also at the back of the house, same side of the hallway. So I forgot to mention the double doors right here is a little pantry and then a door down to the garage. So this is like a tuck under type construction. This is the master, big master, vaulted ceilings, pot shelves, can lights. Again, killer lake views off the master, out the slider. So we're just gonna check out this little view deck while we're up here. This is off the master suite and kitchen. Nice area. Has can lights. Looks like it's pre-wired for outdoor speakers. Killer panoramic lake views. You can see the whole island. Got Thompson Bay and the whole island. Great panoramic lake views. So you got a big master bath as well. Solid surface counters with dual sinks. A little soaker tub. Have your walk-in shower. You have your toilet with its own door. Little towel closet and a big walk-in closet. All right, back down the hall towards the kitchen and entry, and see what we have. So looks like you have indoor laundry, and that door just goes out to the backyard. So you have another guest bedroom, back of the house. So this Jack and Jill's into the hallway. So this is kind of like a little junior master suite. You have a guest bath, solid surface counter, solid surface shower. They did the plank tile floor throughout. So this just goes back out into the hallway. All right, so there's stairs down to the garage we're gonna go check out right now. All right, you have a 3-car garage down here. It's 30 feet wide, 38.5 feet deep, 7-foot standard door. They are insulated. All right, let's go check out the pool. All right, so the only way I see to access the pool is off this view deck through the gate. So you have a nice private pool area back here, pretty big pool. Looks like it's in good shape. Has some pop-up cleaners on the step. Lake views are fantastic. Nice hot tub. Also has a couple pop-up cleaners in there as well. Looks like there's a couple spill pots that are not running. I guess you can't have too many lake shots. Has killer views from the pool here. This house kind of sits above everything. There's a big wash back there. Very private. Looks like there's a side gate out to the backyard, because most of that is probably this property as well, or not most of it, but some of it. So this is where all the pool equipment lives. You have your propane tank for the heater, pool heater, spa heater. There's also a little shed back here. Let's go see if there's anything else we're missing. Just a pool shed. Just kind of some dead space over here, retaining wall. Property probably goes up to the telephone pole up there somewhere. I mean, it is 19,000 square feet, so. Lots of parking back here. The lake views are just fantastic. They don't really convey well on the camera. Looks like it has 2 AC units up there. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Kicking Horse. Again, this one was just listed today for $950. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as usual. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.